Good. You're good at painting, eh, Madison? Well, you can take more if you want. Slowly, slowly. So you're gonna spill it. Just do it slowly. See? Be careful.
It's okay.
Yeah, let me help you with the edge. Help you with the edge. Wow. Okay. Wait. Yeah, wait.
After you're gonna not paint to the other side?
Yeah.
Not paint to the other side.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What color do you want again?
Yellow.
Attends.
No,
Attends.
pink.
Okay, let's stand it out. Come on. Where do you want to paint pink? Okay, but where? Show me where you before. Where do you want to paint pink? This one? Okay. So take pink. A little bit, not too much. A little bit. Okay, go ahead and paint it. Use the edge. It's easier. Yeah. Don't touch it. Don't touch. Don't touch it. You're gonna put paint on your hand, Madison. Okay, let me help you. You want to paint everything pink? Everything pink? Just this side? Only this side? Okay. We take another color.
Yellow.
Yellow?
And after, let's mix it with the color.
No, we can't mix it. We need to paint it separately. After that, we can mix it. Okay, go yellow. A little bit. Just dip. Yeah, dip.
The other one is finished.
Dip it like this. Dip it like this. See? This is how you take the paint. Okay, where do you want to paint? Show me first. Where?
This one.
Okay.
On this side.
Be careful with your hand. So, attack. Go. Let's watch it.
After, you could wash your hand. And after, we can make the colors.
Yeah. Okay, take more. A little bit, not too much. A little bit. Go. It's okay. You have it now. Paint. Let me record a video for Abby. Slowly. Finish? Okay. Take another color. Okay, take another color. What color do you want again? Blue? No, wait, that's a green. Attends. What color do you want again?
More yellow.
More yellow? Where do you want to paint? No, show me face before. Where do you want to paint? At the back? Okay, attends. Let's turn it. Okay. Oh, sure, right. You're welcome. A little bit. Don't too much, Madison. And don't put your hand on the table, okay? You don't have to make it. Where do you want to paint? Yeah. Okay, I tied you too. Attends, let me help you. Slowly. Finish? Okay. Where do you want to paint again? And what color do you want? Pink? Okay, take pink. Okay, go ahead. Voilà. Want me to help you? You can do it by yourself? Okay. Okay. The other back? A little bit. Slowly. Take your time. Yeah, I'm turning it for you. Take your time. Don't touch it, Madison. Don't touch. Take your hand away.